ArmoníaPlus 2.0 introduces zones, routing, and scenes to the installed workspace. Under the Design tab, we can now add a zone, name it, and assign that zone to multiple speakers and sources within the workspace. Once sources are assigned to the zone, we have the capability of selecting which source is active in the drop-down menu of the current zone. By accessing the Tune tab, we now have EQ control on both sources and zones. We are allowed the maximum of 2 IIR filters for any source and 4 IIR filters for any zone. Under the Configuration tab, we can access routing. Within routing, we can select our source format, mono, stereo, or multi-channel, and route these sources to zones, speakers, or speaker groups. Lastly, we have added the use of scenes. By creating a new scene, we can recall different workspace formats, allowing the user to set up a quick access environment for multi-purpose use.